What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. So, we will be doing our daily recap today. There were a lot of picks, a lot of plays, a lot of action in SPY as well. So, why don't we get started by letting me know where you are tuning in from tonight? I'll throw a few of your names up on the screen and then we will get started. So, I'm just going to go over to SPY here in the meantime. Cool. So, I can hear myself. So, I know that's good. All right, so here we go. So here's SPY. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys, and then we can break this down step by step. SPY was pretty good today. We had a really good day in the room. I'm gonna break it down for you guys. So what do we have? So we have Darcy from Alberta, Canada. What's going on? Ion from New York. What's going on? Little Rock. What's going on? Clark from, I think you're from Tampa, brother. What's going on? Ally from Redmond. What's going on? Edgar from Corona, California. What's going on? B. Castillo from Atlanta. What's going on? Whitney, North Carolina. And let's do one more. Jason from San Jose, California. Welcome, brother. All right. All right. So, as you guys know, whenever we're coming into the war zone, whenever we're stepping on the battlefield, we need at least two lines, right? We need the previous day's high. Oops. We need the previous day's high and the previous day's low. So right off the bat, we have the previous day's high here. We have the previous day's low. So let me go into the Discord and let me walk you through my setups today, what I was thinking, and I'm just going to explain to you guys in detail. So obviously, guys, if we look at this chart, you could see that we're opening, pressing up against this previous high, right? So right off the bat, I can sense that there can be some volatility, okay? So right here, good morning, all. Love this gap up here. We'll try the orb on the 3, 5, and 15. So I'm going to show you guys how I executed that. So let me go to the 3-minute chart first because that's where I started today. So I'm going to hit the bar replay. We'll take this one step at a time. Oops. Okay. So first bar comes in. Boom. Pressing up again against previous day's high. So whenever I have that type of action, I'm looking just for an opening range breakout. So what that means is if it breaks the low, I'm going to go short. If it breaks the high, I'm going to go long. So right here, guys, next bar, we get filled, we get short, we start going sideways again, and then boom, we have that great push down. So this is exactly what I was looking for off the bat. Let me zoom in. So we had a beautiful 3-minute opening range breakout. We also had a beautiful double inside bar on the 3-minute. So it was very, very profitable today on the 3-minute. Let's go over to the 5-minute now. And you could also see the 5-minute opening range breakout was also a winner, as well as that inside bar there. And then I can just show you guys here the alerts that come through: SPY, 5-minute inside bar. And then the last one we had was the 15-minute. So 15-minute, guys, still a great push down. Even though we reversed, we still had a good follow through here. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All the opening range breakouts work. That's what I like to see when I am looking for volatility, okay? Then let's go back to the 5. So the next thing we had, guys, is our automated trades. So our automated trades are just our orders that we set up the night before. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that up. So our long entry was 463.29. So let me just adjust this. Let me put this in white. Just put this in green. So that was our entry. And our stop was 461.56. So these guys, what we're doing here is we're just trying to do mechanical automated orders here. Nothing complicated. And as you can see, guys, so right off of the open, we got filled on this trade. And it did look like it was going to stop us out. But you'll see that I have the triggers and the stop losses in very specific places that I have from my back testing. So you can see what happens after this. Boom. Okay, beautiful. So let me go ahead and get the target. Target was 464.94. So these are always posted the night before. I already have the trades for tomorrow posted, the trigger trades. I love the trigger trades because it gives me the ability to just set and forget. All right, so here we go, guys. So this is how this one played out. We pulled back. We got filled long. We took some heat. Looked like we were going to get stopped out, guys, but I'm telling you, these back testing, these levels that I have are very, very powerful. And then we go and then we push. We hit the target. We had a little bit more after that, but very, very beautiful. So just looking at the price action today, guys, we had some beautiful action on the 3-minute, like I was saying. This inside bar right here, guys, with this Friday expiry went for about 50% return. And it was really good, really good day. Really good day. So I'm very happy with SPY today. I was able to bank. I know you guys have been tuning in for the how to trade SPY for a living. So this is, this is real trades that happen. These are not like, I'm not looking at things 6 months ago and then teaching you guys. We try to do it live in real time. All right. So hit me with a 1 if you're okay with SPY, makes sense, and we will move on from there. Yes, the opening range breakout is the breakout of the first bar. Exactly. Depending on what time frame you're on. When we have volatility, I like using the 3, the 5, and the 15. Those 3 combined really give me an edge. So you have to know when to use it because it's not always going to work. All right. So we had a lot of picks yesterday. Let's go to Fubo. Let's start off with some of these picks here. And let's look at these. So we could see on Fubo, we closed with an inside bar on Friday. And what do you guys think that's going to do to the option premium? So we had this, if you just look at these 4 days, 1, 2, 3, 4, before we went in today, let me just hit the market replay for us. We kind of went going sideways, right? We finally been going sideways. So what do you guys think happens to option premiums, especially when we have an inside bar like this? And one of the things that really stood out to me, just look at the last time we had an inside bar on Fubo. We had a really big push down. So obviously you guys got it right. So the premiums are going to be decaying. We're going to be able to get a good deal. So now I go down to the 5 and I'm looking for something similar. Okay, I'm looking for something similar. So right off the bat, guys, first bar comes in. All right, this is a pretty big bar. Same thing, guys. So volatility, I'm looking for the opening range breakout right here on the 5. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, beautiful follow through on that breakdown on that first 5-minute bar. And I think these went for how much? I think over 100% on those puts. So very, very well. Let me just fast forward so you can also see that from here we had that reversal, right? So you're not always going to go vertically down, but this right here, guys, is enough to get you a good return on your money. Now I'm just going to ask you guys, what's the general rule that I use? How many legs are we looking for on the way down or up before we can see a reversal? So I'm just going to test you guys real quick for those that have been here, right? How many legs can we expect before a reversal? So how do you know when you should be covering the majority of your position? Okay. And then while you guys are answering that, I'm just going to go through this. We also had this beautiful Nirvana pattern that came later on in the day. So this Nirvana pattern was beautiful. So the Nirvana pattern, guys, is an indicator that I created. It's only available for people that buy my drill down book. Okay. And you get it for lifetime. You don't have to pay like a monthly fee or anything. Once you get the book, you get that for lifetime. So the Nirvana guys stepping in big. Just wanted to point this out because I feel like this indicator is a little bit underrated, but it's been very powerful in my back testing. So you guys are right for the 2 legs. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start from the high, bring it down to the low. So you could see we had this 1 push down, and then we had this little retracement here, a little bit of a Fibonacci retracement. And then from there, guys, we had this beautiful trade down to the 50% extension. So those are your 2 legs, 1, 2. So right here, guys, like this is not, it looks like magic, but it's not, because this is just a measured move. Like, why do we reverse exactly at the 50% extension? The 50% extension is 50% of this move. So these are the algorithms that are using math. They're using programs to push these moves through, right? So this is why we reverse right here at the 50. Hit me with the 5 if that's beautiful, guys. Like every time I see these fibs, I see them trade to the extensions and we have these beautiful plays. It always, always, always inspires me to keep pushing for financial freedom, because there is some type of systematic trading that happens, right? It's not all random. There is systems there are robots, there are other things that are happening, and it's our job to be able to find that. Beautiful. So what I'm going to do, here is I'm just going to do a few more. I'm going to proceed. So Twitter was really nice because not only did we have a beautiful opening range breakout, guys, but we also had a very tight inside bar right here. So this tight inside bar, even if so the opening range breakout doesn't trigger right away, but then you get an even better inside bar risk to reward, because instead of putting your stop loss, let's say you're taking a short, instead of putting your stop loss all the way at the high of this candle, you can bring it down here. So you have a very, very good trade here. And I know that these went for about almost 200% on the puts. So that was very, very good. Let's continue. Square, same thing, guys. Same thing, right? We had a beautiful opening range breakout. So you can see the theme of today was opening range breakout. And we had another 2-leg reversal here. So push down, pull back, reversal, bam. Very good. NVIDIA. So NVIDIA, the opening range breakout also did work, but it wasn't a huge follow through. Instead, we got this little double bottom pattern and then we pushed up. So with these double bottom patterns, guys, what I like to see is you could see right here on the way back up, we had an inside bar. So even if you miss this original double bottom, because sometimes it's hard to catch the bottom, you can come in with these inside bars right here and take a stab at it. All right. And let me just make sure that those alerts came through. So if we go to the daily option pick alerts, yes. So you can see the NVIDIA inside bar alert at 10:55. So just keep an eye on those risk to reward trades, guys. They're very, very good because look, you just risk a bar here. You have the double bottom below you. Give it a shot. Not bad. So Tesla, another beautiful opening range breakout. Hood, beautiful opening range breakout. Space, opening range breakout. Oracle was the hardest one today. Kind of went sideways, then had a little bit of a push. Very difficult. PLTR, opening range breakout. Beauty, Sophie, opening range breakout. And then we had the Nirvana at the bottom that popped. And then we had Riot, opening range breakout. 2 legs. And then we pushed up. So that's what I always tell you guys. 2 legs, 2 legs, 2 legs, 2 legs. Look for 2 legs right here. Boom, boom, boom. Trade to the 50 again, guys. And beautiful, beautiful reversal. So there we go. So I don't want to take too long, but very reasonable day. The SPY room has been growing uncontrollably. And I'm very, very grateful for everybody that's in here. $39 a month, guys. I think it's a very fair price. I know you guys know the people that are charging you $100 a month without even doing live alerts or giving you delayed alerts, etc. So I think it's a good deal. If you're interested, come check us out. Tradingwars.com. The books right here, guys. Drill down, Fibonacci. You know how we do it. But yeah, today, very fair day, guys. Definitely should have been able to bank. The only really difficult one was probably Oracle, I would say. Otherwise, in that, everything had some playable action. All right. So just to recap, we did SPY, trading for a living. Yeah, these were Friday expiry. Does a Nirvana indicator just indicate a trigger for a specific direction? Nirvana indicator indicates a pattern, and then you take the break from there. Is a video walking through the fib setting? I tried setting mine up, doesn't look the same. Yeah, I have a Fibonacci playlist on YouTube. You can check that out. So what I was gonna say is we did SPY, trading for a living, part 1. Let me pull that up. So that was very well received today. I'm just gonna throw this up here. So we already hit 2,600 views. I'm very proud of what we were able to accomplish. So let me just post the link if you guys missed that. We're gonna be doing Trading SPY for a Living Part 2 next Sunday at 8 p.m. So same time. Also, guys, I heard that some of you are interested in me writing a SPY book into next year. So what I'm going to do right now, guys, is please comment, like, and subscribe as always. Let's keep pushing for growth. Let's keep trying to get that algo in our favor, because really think that I really believe that we have an easy system here that people can follow. We have free indicators. We have free seminars every day. And I really think it can change a lot of people's life. So I really appreciate a comment and a like if you can. And what I want to ask you guys today in the comments. So I'm about to end the broadcast. When I end the broadcast, guys, just let me know. if you would be interested in that SPY book. So just let me know in the comments once I end the broadcast. Are you looking forward to the SPY book? Is that something you would be interested in? And I'll get working on that immediately. So they take me a while to write. I try to put a lot of effort into it. So let me know in the comments. But otherwise than that, I appreciate your time. I know it's Monday and, another long week ahead, but there's a lot of opportunities. So make sure you're prepared. Make sure you have the indicators. Make sure you're ready to rock and roll. Do you use pre-market support and resistance? No, I do not. I try to keep the charts as clean as possible. All right. All right, guys. So that's it, man. Thank you very much for your time. I'll catch you tomorrow. Picks will be posted very shortly. Let's keep it rolling. Okay. Nirvana indicator, you have to purchase my book and you will get it in my Discord. All right. So thank you very much. Take care.